Meaning of goalkeeping.
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 Goalkeeping. Goalkeeping refers to the act of protecting one's team's goal in sports such as soccer or ice hockey. The goalkeeper is responsible for preventing the opposing team from scoring by intercepting or blocking shots on goal. Effective goalkeeping requires quick reflexes, excellent hand-eye coordination, and strong spatial awareness. A skilled goalkeeper can make the difference between a winning and losing team. They are often considered to be the last line of defense and are relied upon to make critical saves in high-pressure situations. Goalkeeping is crucial to the success of any team and requires a unique set of skills that not all players possess.